Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to light the Enviro Pellet Stove. First of all, open the top and check the hopper. Make sure there's plenty of pellets inside. Never let the pellets get completely empty. Secondly, you're going to pull out the burn scraper once or twice just to clear debris. And thirdly, you open up the door of the pellet stove, grab the scraper tool, which will be over here at the side, and just run it along the bottom of the burn pot just once or twice to clear out any ash or debris that's there. You can allow it to just drop down below into the ash pan. Then close the door, bring the handle up to about mid-height, push the door, and then pull the handle all the way down. Finally, once you're done with that, then you come around to the side of the stove and you're just going to press the on-off button. Once you've pushed the on-off button, it will take the stove anywhere between 5 and 8 minutes to ignite a flame. So go ahead and go make your coffee and do whatever else you need. If after 15 minutes there's no flame, then you're going to turn it off and go through the process again. You can adjust the heat by pushing the up and down arrows located on the left side of the panel. Please do not touch any of the other buttons or push any of the other levers that you see on the stove. When you're done with the stove, all you have to do is come over and press the on-off button again. The stove will take a little while to cool down and the fan will continue running until that's done.